Hi, I'm Iris from Iris Impressions Art, and welcome to the Halloween Journal Challenge 2023, hosted by Kia from Inspiring Journals. We're on day 26. The prompt is Phantoms and Ghouls, and you are watching a short and hopefully inspiring art journal with me video, in which I'm going to be creating this creepy spread. You can find more details about the challenge and a playlist with all the videos to binge watch in the description below. Now, join me if you dare. I love selecting some art supplies to start with. It doesn't mean that that's the only things I'm going to be using, but it's a really good starting point. So to just get rid of that blank page, I just write some random stuff, in this case the prompt, and then I go in with my white acrylic and my brayer, which is my favorite way of creating texture. I also love to use my non-dominant hand, in this case just to do scratching and kind of like doing texture and moving some mark making tools around, and it kind of, what I'm doing here is I'm building up those initial layers that create interest in the background in the final piece. So there's not a lot of like decision making that goes into this. It's really just an intuitive process, making marks, adding layers, scratching texture, using the kind of the tools and the colors that I like, and then layering and layering and layering, so that in the end it becomes really kind of complex and yummy. Now, when I was thinking about the theme of phantoms and ghouls and these kind of the imagery that I create in my kind of art style with the blocked out mouths and the blocked out eyes and the crosses and stuff, I was really thinking about scary things. So scary things in a Halloween film or whatever is very external, but I think that the reason that I and we create this kind of horror imagery, I think, is about dealing with the scary things that are inside and having an outlet for that and kind of bringing that out and dealing with it, coming to terms with it and giving a place to it. And that's why I wrote those words, all the scary things inside. And that's kind of the thing that I am expressing and grappling with in this art journal spread, and I guess in all of my work. I take my black ballpoint pen, which I love so much, and I throw loads of abuse at it, and it's still going. I take my ballpoint pen and I start sketching just imagery as it comes up to me. So at the moment, I'm really into these simple ovals faces with scratched out eyes and kind of swirly black mouths, and then these kind of weird organic shapes coming out from the mouth. I guess you could see it as a weird tongue or bodily fluids. I don't know, you can just, you can interpret it yourself. I don't have to tell you what it means or what it is. You can, have a look yourself. And yeah, I'm really into making these shapes at the moment, and also as you can see me doing here, decorating things with stripes. So red and white, I'm really into black and white as well. Just, I'm really going for what speaks to me in the moment. There isn't really a lot of deliberation in what I decide to do or what imagery I decide to put in my pages. It's really I don't know, I'm drawing on some motifs and some themes, and then in that moment I just let my hand do what it wants to do. Here you can see me reinforcing those letters that I added at the start, so that they can become a focal point for this spread and really, be part of that message. And now I'm kind of in the finishing touches stage, just adding things with a real purpose of adding darkness, grunge, and contrast. And there we have the final page, some close-ups. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. I hope you liked it too, and hope it inspired you. thanks so much for joining us for the Halloween Journal Challenge. I hope you've created some spooky, creepy art and have got really inspired. It's nearly Halloween, yay! I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these types of videos. I create art videos and creative vlogs, and I hope you will stick around and have a look at my channel and binge watch all my videos. Bye!